Fighting day-to-day life like a battle, and if this is a battle, life is a battle, then shouldn't we fight like a soldier or a warrior? So the today's video which I am going to record with you guys is basically how to live life or win life like a warrior. Let me tell you that there are three components of the life, and if you can win all those three components like a warrior or like a soldier, you can win the life itself. The first component in this is that you have to never give up. And what are those things which you have to never give up on? That is, first is your health. You have to take care of your health. Whatever goal you set out for your health, whether in terms of losing weight or keeping fit, your parameters, you should never take them lightly. You have to fight like a warrior to get your all the parameters, all your health issues resolved. That should be your topmost priority before you can go on to any other things. The second is your educational goal. In educational goal also, that again you have to be serious about your education, and once you are concentrating on that or you are serious about that, I am sure you will achieve your all goals of the education also. Let me tell you my story. Despite all the odds, I achieved my goals of education. In the beginning, I decided that I should do graduation in engineering. Though there were a lot of hardships, but I continued and could finally achieve that goal. Thereafter, once the question of career came back of mind somewhere, I wanted to join Indian Army, and I tried twice through the National Defence Academy competitive exam, but I could not succeed. Thereafter, what I did is I continued studying, excelled in my studies, and finally I could get my BTech graduation. So I was destined to go to the army through a different channel, and that was through the engineering graduate. So I joined the academy as an engineering graduate. Similarly, if you have decided any kind of career goal, I am sure if you are focused on that, you will achieve that. Next point important to, as far as the life is concerned, is your professional and personal relationships. Let me tell you that in life it's very important to have your personal and professional relationship separate. When you are in profession, you should not bring in your personal relationships, and when you are at home, personal relationship, you should not bring your profession with that. That way you will keep less stressful life, and you will enjoy working when you are at profession and when you are at home. At the same time, this is your duty, obligation, and responsibility to take care of your profession as well as your personal life honestly and dedicatedly. Once you have done that, the third component of life which is very important for you to take care of is that, see, now you have taken care of yourself, you have taken care of your health, your educational goal, your career goals, and you have taken care of now your family, your children. What is left now is you are a human being, and human beings are not limited to themselves, means your personal life or your family life. You are supposed to basically take care of others, of your surrounding. You are born to impact others' life. So If you want to live purposefully or want to live your passion, then you have to impact others' life. And for that, you have to find your passion, you have to live your purpose. Finally, that will give you the fulfillment. You know, just success, simple success in terms of your job, in terms of your family, will not give you any kind of fulfillment unless you impact the life of others, unless you do something for the society, unless you do something creative. Let me tell you, you will always feel somewhere deficient in your life. So ladies and gentlemen, as far as winning the life like a warrior, today this much, and stay tuned. I will keep coming weekly at least once and give you some pointers or some tips which will help you in really changing your mindset, changing or transforming your life. Thank you so much.